Are you a business person? Do you struggle over how to calculate interest rates or projected sales? Are you a musician? Do you struggle with counting measures and with keeping time? Are you a chef? Do you cook a lot? Do you struggle with measurements and fractions?
Using math, you can now do all of these things. As a business person, math can help you calculate interest rates and projected sales. As a chef, you can use math with fractions to help you measure stuff correctly. And as a musician, math helps you keep time and count the measures.
I'm going to use math in my job.
Math is practical for every job. I bet every job. By learning about interest rates and how to calculate them, you can increase your business and increase your revenue. By learning about counting and rhythmic patterns, you're able to learn how to play way better. See? 1, 2, and 3, 4. Nice, good job. By learning about fractions and measurements, you're able to cook better and more accurately. For example, if your recipe says you need 1/4 of an ingredient and you need to double your recipe, if you multiply 1/4 by 2, you get 1/2. Math is great because there's so many different kinds of math. There's algebra and trigonometry. There's geometry, calculus, and statistics. There's so many different ways for you to learn about math and so many different ways for you to apply them. One of the best ways to use math is to use it together. For example, if you need to calculate how heavy something is pulling it up a hill, and if you can do that, the best way is using trigonometry and geometry. By using trig, you can calculate what the angles are of the hill, and by using geometry, you can calculate what you don't know. Another great example is throwing a baseball up in the air. Let's say you do this multiple times, and you want to calculate the time it takes. You're able to do that using calculus. You want to see what your average time is that the ball's in the air. You can do that using algebra. This is great because then you can use statistics to see what the likelihood of the time the ball is in the air. As you can see, everyone needs math. Whether you're in business, into cooking, or into music, math is useful. Math is the best.